Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is day 24 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series, and that means this is the very last door to open in the Advent Calendar. So here we go. And spoiler alert, I kind of knew what it was because, well, there's a picture of the truck on the back of the box, and I'd already gotten all the other stuff, and also the adhesive didn't stick very well on this, so it slipped into one of the other days, and I knew that it wasn't supposed to be for that day. I think it slipped on top of sequins or something. So here we go, the truck and the present. All right, so my thought is I really wanted there to be a Christmas tree in the back of the truck with the gift. So I don't have a Christmas tree die or anything, so I just decided to sketch a Christmas tree really quick and cut it out. And I'm going to, after I cut it out, I'm going to erase all the pencil marks that I made. I just wanted to make sure that the tree was long enough and substantial enough to fit in the back of the truck and still look like a Christmas tree behind that big present. All right, so there I did. I cut it out, and I'm just verifying that it will actually fit in the truck the way I want it to, because I haven't cut the truck out yet. So I'm going to pick the colors now for the truck. Ordinarily I would do the truck in red, but because it's Christmas and I wanted to do the gift in red, I decided to do a blue truck, and the present is going to be red and the ribbon on the present is going to be black. So I'm just digging through all my scraps, getting appropriate colors for all that, and the wheels on the truck are going to be black as well. I will say having this magnetic cup is very helpful for die cutting, because then when I'm done, I can put the die cuts back in there and they don't get lost, which is a common problem for me because my craft space outside of the camera area is quite messy. But I am erasing the pencil marks now on my Christmas tree, and I'm going to take a variety of the green markers that I have. I have a couple Copics and my Olo markers as well in different shades of green, and I'm going to just color up all of the color up a Christmas tree. Very, very rough sketch Christmas tree basically. And it doesn't take too long for me to do this, but I think it's fun. I did brown for the stump of the Christmas tree because we want it to look authentic as possible. And you do see, when I finally assemble it, I wanted to see part of the stump coming out of the back of the truck. Probably not accurate on how you'd really transport a Christmas tree, but it's a card, not real life. So it is what it is. But here we go, picking different colors. I say just pick whichever colors of green really work for you. And I think the colors, because I was coloring it on a different green, it didn't look terrible in my opinion after I was finished. All right, so now that we're done with that, we're going to assemble our truck and the present and all the other things. And I was kind of struggling, as I always do with small pieces, because I don't know, I'm not very good with the tweezers yet. I need to work on that. And I need to also stop thinking that using my fingers is a great option, because it isn't. And yes, you can probably notice in some of these shots that my nail polish ripped off of my thumb on my right hand during filming, because it was definitely there when I started, and then halfway through I noticed it was gone. So yeah. Time to redo those before Christmas tomorrow. What do you guys do for Christmas Eve? Do you have any special traditions? We like to go out for Chinese food on Christmas Eve. My mistake. Not Thanksgiving. Christmas Eve we go out for Chinese food. And then on Christmas Day we usually have family over, or we go visit family. This year we are having family over and my husband's cooking lamb on the grill. So that's exciting. I don't know that I've ever had lamb on the grill before. All right, so we are finishing up the assembly of our truck and the Christmas tree. And I apologize if I'm off camera here in some of this. I didn't realize that I was doing that while I was filming. But hopefully you still get the idea of what I'm doing here. Alrighty, so I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with this at first, but then I decided it would make a really cute tag. So I got my Sizzix tag dies out, and I decided to cut the biggest one because that's the one the truck would fit on the best. And then I was like, it needs a For You type of greeting, and I didn't really want to do the huge letters again because the truck was pretty big. So I took the For You from the mailbox day and the banner die, and look at that, it fits. It's so cool. I'm so excited. And then I did the ends of the banners, and I saw somebody else do the ends of the banners the way I end up doing them, so it would make it shorter and not so space consuming, so it would fit on this, and I like it. Let me know what you think of how I did the banner ends and stuff. I thought I was using lots of creativity here. I was pretty impressed with myself for it being, early in the morning on Christmas Eve, when probably most people's creativity and energy is all gone. Not to say my energy is not all gone, because it is. But fortunately, most of the presents are wrapped, and I think we're waiting on one thing to show up today, hopefully. And that's about it. But yes, we are assembling. And if you can see here, I messed up the way I was going to put the banner ends on. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, duh, that's not the right way. So I had to redo it so it would fit on the card, because I dry fit it basically, and then when I went to glue it together, I did it the wrong way. I must be more tired than I think. All right, so here we go. Here's the finished tag. Let me know what you think. I was pretty impressed with this. It looks awesome. All right, thank you so much for watching my series, and please check out some other videos, and I really, really appreciate it when you like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to come back soon. I will have more videos posted soon. Have a great day. See you soon.